Desktop CNCs have come a long way. Whether you're a maker, engineer, or small business fabricator, you want real machining power in a compact footprint. Today, we're comparing two standout machines, the NestWorks C500 and the Carvera. Let's see which one wins for you. So first up, the NestWorks C500, a new desktop CNC that aims to bring industrial performance to your workshop. It packs an 800-watt spindle that spins up to 18,000 RPM with precision machining down to plus minus 0.02 millimeters and can cut aluminum, brass, plastics, hardwood, even tougher alloys like titanium and mild steel, something rarely seen in compact CNCs. The C500 also features automatic tool changing and smart cam software that auto-detects tools and materials to simplify workflows, plus visual probing, surface leveling, RFID tool tracking, and optional 4-axis machining. Some of its pros: industrial-style machining power and rigidity, capable of metal fabrication, not just wood or plastics. Automatic tool changer, RFID tool system, and smart probing speed up multi-tool jobs. Built-in automation reduces setup time and learning curve. However, it's still a new product. Some features are unproven until full production units are widely tested, and higher complexity and upfront learning curve versus simpler hobby machines. Next is the Carvera, one of the first truly smart desktop CNC routers designed to be as easy as 3D printing. It includes auto tool changing, auto probing, dust collection, and even a built-in laser engraving module right out of the box, plus support for optional 4-axis machining. Build quality uses linear rails and ball screws for smooth motion, and closed-loop servos improve positioning and repeatability. The machine excels at wood, plastics, composites, and a range of metals, especially with proper cam and feeds, and is integrated with Macera's ecosystem for easier workflows. Some of its pros: mature feature set with automatic tool changing and probing included, laser engraving built in for hybrid workflows, and great blend for precision and automation for creative makers. However, spindle power and rigidity are more modest compared to something like the C500, best for softer metals and detailed shop work. It has a larger footprint and higher price relative to starter CNCs, but worth it if you want automation and advanced features. The final verdict: here's the real breakdown. Pick the NestWorks C500 if you want industrial-style machining in a desktop package. Machines that actually handle tough metals, high torque jobs, multi-tool automation, and production-level precision. It's aimed at serious makers and small manufacturers who need real cutting power. Pick the Carvera if you want a balanced, smart CNC workspace tool that just works for wood, plastics, PCBs, and metal parts, with automatic features, laser engraving, and a user-friendly ecosystem out of the box. The bottom line: NestWorks C500 for industrial desktop CNC with power and automation for metals and complex jobs, and Carvera for all-around smart maker machine with strong automation and ease of use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.